Calculate the charge on mercury ion. EMF of this cell given below is 0.0295 volts at 25 degrees Celsius. Here this is anode and this is cathode. The next equation here, E cell is equal to E0 cell minus 0.0591 by N log anode concentration by cathode concentration. It is a concentration cell because both the electrodes are same. So E0 cell value is 0. E cell value is 0.0295. N value we need to find. Anode concentration is 0.01. Cathode concentration is 0.1. So if we substitute the values here, E cell 0.0295, E0 cell is 0 minus 0.0591 by N log anode concentration is 0.01, cathode is 0.1. So here 0.0295 is equal to minus 0.0591 by N log 10 power minus 1. 0.01 by 0.1 means 0.1 will remain. 0.1 we can write it as 10 power minus 1. 0.0295 is equal to minus 0.0591 by N into minus 1 log 10. Log 10 is 1, minus into minus plus. So 0.0295 is equal to 0.0591 by N. From this, N is equal to 0.0591 by 0.0295. N is equal to, will get 2. So charge on mercury ion is +2.